right now.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. This is how you fuck a bitch in 10 seconds. Chapstick, number 1. Hey, yo, do what your mom's like. You looking kind of fine, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, long dick style.
I can't.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do if you do it on your challenger? Go to the front. Go to the front of your challenger. Oh yeah. Talk to him. What you gonna do with that?
She's sitting right here, type shit, right? She got her leg up. I'm over here just fucking.
Long dick style.
She got her legs up right here.
Hey. Oh no. The earthquake when you're just shaking it.
Or you hit him with the tomato.
Hey. When you get the right rotation, shit go start getting dizzy. Don't get this shit. Yeah. Hit that. Give that shit to Robin. Put these in. Tell him to put these in his pocket.
Why the fuck down?
Yeah. But hit this look on these people. And if no different, they about to die for real. That's the one I'm from, Lake Dallas. I'm from the hood, bro. I really do this shit for real, bro. Hey, that shit out.
This is not fair.
Housekeeping.
It's on wheels.
Where'd they go?
Oh, damn, she just.
Bro, don't shoot me.
Air him out.
I'm out.
Look, here. I'm not a part of this.
What's Will?
Hey.
They got 3 seconds to come out. It ain't gonna end pretty.
Hold this shit down. 5,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
You blowing this shit down.
Why my car? Do it inside. You should have done it inside.
Everybody put up their weapons.
Oh, you put yourself there.
No, you can't come in until you put them up. I ain't getting shot.
I don't have any
Slide
weapons.
it down, slide it down.
Whoa.
Slide it down.
You were on our team.
Yeah.
You're a traitor.
Dude, why were you standing in the middle of the room? I got shot.
We used to be family.
What were you standing there?
We used to be family. Whoa. I don't even want a problem. Hey.
We'll slide it down. We'll slide it down. We'll slide it. We'll slide it.
No.
We'll slide it. We'll slide it. You gotta open it though.
Oh shit.
He was there off.
He's on our team.
Shit.
What does he have?
I'll shoot me.
You used to be one of us. We were family. We was blood.
What you mean? Not kill me in the street.
Black is black.
So this how it's gonna be. This how it's gonna be.
Put yours down.
We used to be brothers.
It's 2-on-1.
Yeah.
2-on-1.
Yeah. Oh, truth. Truth.
You want to talk to Christian?
Friendly.
Let me speak with the boss.
Friendly.
Listen.
Truth.
Listen.
Let's talk. Let's talk.
You can talk now.
We ain't got no problems. That bitch on the left? Yeah, we used to be family.
What happened to y'all though?
Y'all put my girl in. I got shot.
By who?
One of y'all girls.
Who though?
Y'all put my girl in danger. Y'all put her in the mix and then shot me.
Bro, no one told you that right there.
Hey, wait.
He doesn't have it. Hey.
Weren't they gonna try and get at y'all too though?
Yeah, I say you go for these two. I say you go for these two.
Nah, bro. That's crazy, bro. He right, spinning right.
Yeah, stick the up the stick on it. Yeah, up the stick on it.
shit right now. Hey, motherfucker.
Yeah, I should will.
Y'all just wanna play, huh? Shit, you been close.
Oh my god!